Hi everyone, my name is Bob, and welcome back to FluentRise English. Today, we're going to talk about something that's literally changing our world, artificial intelligence, or simply AI. I personally think AI is a blessing. It's helping us do things faster, smarter, and better than ever.
Hi, everyone. I'm Arina. We're going to have a friendly talk, a natural conversation about whether AI is good or bad. So let's start. Bob, everywhere I go these days, people are talking about AI. Every video, every post, every company, it's just AI this, AI that. Don't you think it's getting too much?
I know what you mean, but honestly, I think it's amazing. AI is not too much. It's the future.
Maybe. But sometimes it feels like we're depending on it too much. Earlier people used to think, write, and create on their own. Now, everyone just asks AI to do it.
Yeah, but that's not really bad. It's just smart work. Like, imagine you're a student. Instead of spending hours reading 10 books, you can ask AI for a summary. It's efficient.
Yeah, but isn't that making people lazy? I mean, no one wants to think deeply anymore. Everyone wants shortcuts.
It depends on the person. Arena, AI give you the tools, but you decide how to use them. You can still learn if you want to.
Maybe, but what about jobs? Writers, designers, even coders are losing opportunities. Isn't that something to worry about?
That's true, but every big invention did that. When computers came, people said the same thing. They'll take our jobs. But they also created new jobs. AI trainers, data analysts, prompt engineers.
Yeah, maybe. But AI is different. Machines needed humans to control them. AI can now think, right? Even create art on its own. That's what scares me.
AI doesn't really think. Arena. It's not conscious. It just processes data and predicts patterns.
Yeah, but it's getting close. I saw this AI-generated video of a celebrity saying things they never said. It looked so real.
Yeah, that's a deep fake. That's a serious issue, I agree. But again, it's not AI's fault. It's how humans use it. The same technology can be used for movies, learning, or even accessibility for the blind.
Yeah, that's true. I saw one where AI helped a blind man read. That was beautiful.
Exactly. That's what I mean. AI is like fire. If you use it wisely, it helps you. If you misuse it, it burns everything.
That's a nice way to put it. But still, Bob, don't you think we're losing the human touch?
Maybe a little. But I think AI enhances a human touch. Like, it helps artists bring ideas to life faster.
Yeah, but creativity feels different now. You can't call something art if a machine made it.
True, but AI can never feel emotions like humans. It can mimic, but not feel. The creative soul still belongs to humans.
That's fair. But I still think it's dangerous. What if someday AI gets out of control? You've seen Terminator, right?
Yeah, but come on, Arena, that's Hollywood. In real life, AI doesn't want to rule humans. It just follows what we tell it to do.
Yeah, but what if it learns to not follow one day?
Okay. Now you sound like a movie trailer voice.
Maybe, but it could happen.
Maybe in the far future. But right now, It's helping us save lives, detecting diseases, predicting earthquakes, helping farmers.
Hmm. Yeah, that's true. I read about AI predicting crop failures. That was amazing.
Exactly. It's not about replacing humans. It's about empowering them.
Hmm. Yeah, but it's also changing our behavior. Like people talk less, depend more on screens. Even relationships feel less emotional.
Yeah, that's true in a way. But that's not AI. It's how we humans use it. You can't blame the tool.
Hmm. Maybe. But people are forgetting basic skills, like remembering numbers or directions.
Hmm, yeah, that's true. But maybe it's evolution. Humans are using their brains for bigger problems now, not just memorizing.
Hmm. Maybe you're right. But I still miss the old days when things were simpler.
Yeah, I get that. But progress is unstoppable. The trick is to find balance.
Hmm. Balance, yeah, that's the word.
See, if we combine human creativity with AI speed, imagine how powerful that can be. Totally. People share personal stuff with AI like it's their best friend. That's risky.
Exactly. Especially kids. They grow up talking to voice assistants more than real people. That might affect their social skills.
Maybe. But if used right, AI can actually make kids smarter, help them learn languages, logic, and even art.
Hmm. Yeah, I guess it depends on how we guide them.
Exactly. You know what I read last night? AI won't replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't.
Hmm. That's deep. So, we should learn AI, not fear it.
Exactly. If we resist it, we'll fall behind. If we learn it, we'll lead.
Hmm. Yeah, that makes sense. I guess I was focusing only on the negatives.
Hmm. Yeah.
But still, emotional intelligence and empathy, those things AI can't replace.
Absolutely. That's our biggest strength. Machines can calculate, but not care.
Yeah.
So maybe we can say AI is not good or bad. It's about how we use it.
So, friends, AI isn't a monster or a miracle. It's just a tool. If we use it wisely, it can make our lives better and smarter.
Hmm. Yeah, and while using it, we should also stay human, keep our emotions, creativity, and kindness alive.